I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom color wheel like we have here using oil pastels. And these oil pastels, I picked them up for, I think it was like $4.
Oh, Squidward.
And using oil pastels in just red, yellow, and blue, I'm going to show you how to make a custom color wheel. How did I make this color wheel just using red, yellow, and blue? I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that, and this is a great introduction lesson.
How does he do that?
Okay, so what you need for this project, you are going to need a piece of paper, and you're going to need red, yellow, and blue oil pastels. First thing, I like to always put down yellow because I think that it's a lot easier to start with a lighter color. And I'm going to start by putting this down in kind of a triangle effect. So we have yellow up the top. I like to go red next. So I like to drop down, put my little triangle here for red, and then complete the triangle with blue. This is going to help us get everything in order because by the end, this is just going to be one big circle. So when we do this, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and graph out the circle part way like this, where it just kind of goes down and around. And what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to do your yellow first because yellow is easiest to blend. And then you're going to want to complete this with some blues and reds. And as you can see, I kind of stopped halfway down through here, but as you can see right there, it's already starting to look a little green, and that's what we're wanting. And right here, so down here, up and over, we're just going to complete that like this.
That is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
But what we're going to be doing now, we are going to lightly be putting these colors over top of one another and blending them together. So to make purple, it's very simple. All you have to do to make purple or violet is just put blue on top of red. That's it. And our ideal situation is that we are going to have these colors blend seamlessly from red over to blue and get these colors in between. And how you do that, you just very lightly, as you get further away from red, you just very lightly put in some red. As you get further away from blue, you very lightly put in blue. And what you're going to get is a smooth transition from one color to the other. Just like that. And if you want to smooth this in, you can with your fingers, or you can take some paper towel, just kind of roll it up like this, and you can use that to smooth it in. Now we're going to move over to the red and yellow. Now yellow is a very special color because it doesn't take very much of any color to turn yellow into something else. So for instance, I didn't even add in any other colors, and as you can see right here, it's already changing from red to orange. And what we're going to want to do, we're just going to want to fade yellow into the red over here, and we're just going to bring some of that color and draw it up into the yellow. And that is going to give us the smooth transition that we're looking for. If you want to go a little bit brighter with this, you could add in a touch of red. I wouldn't really recommend doing that, but it's up to you. You can if you want to. And now for the blue, we're going to do roughly the same thing. We're just going to take the yellow and we're going to blend it into the blue right here. And I got a little bit of red in there, but that's fine. We'll mix that in. And we're going to make a transition of green. So I'm just going to take some more blue, put it right in here, fade it up. And if you get that little bit of red in there, you can actually take your fingernail and scrape that up if you want, or a wooden part of a pencil or a pencil eraser or something like that. Just scrape that up. And there you have a very basic color wheel just using red, yellow, and blue. And this is really great to help to identify different colors, where they are in the transitions between them. The next step that I want you to do, I want you to go in and label each one of your colors. Yellow right here, red, blue, green, orange, purple, or violet. Then we go into our tertiaries, the primary color and the secondary color. So primary color yellow with the secondary color orange. Red, secondary color orange. Red, violet. With this, if you'd like to add in these lines, you can. It's entirely up to you. If you do that though, just keep in mind that if you're using a marker, it might ruin the tip since this is oil. And that is how you can complete your very own custom color wheels like this using Oil Pastels. Your assignment for today, you're going to be making your very own version of this. If you'd like to go off the rails and do something completely different as far as design wise, I don't care. That's up to you. I am just looking for that you have all 12 colors down, and I'm telling you from experience, it's a lot easier to do something like this than it is to do something a little bit more complicated, especially in Art 1, because you're just learning this stuff. So I'd suggest you do something like that. Anyway, thank you all very much. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you enjoy this lesson.